Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, solve square root 8 raised to the power of 10 plus 4 raised to the power of 10 over 8 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 11. Now these are the options. So how do we solve this question? Let us go. All right, now how do we solve a question like this? Okay, now let's have the question first. Root 8 raised to the power of 10 plus 4 raised to the power of 10 over 8 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 raised to the power of 11. All right, now this is equal to square roots. Okay, now 8 here can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3, bracket open, bracket close, raised to the power of 10, plus 4, bracket open, 2 raised to the power of 2, okay, then raised to the power of 10, don't forget. All right, then 8 here is what? 2 raised to the power of what? Of 3, okay, raised to the power of 4. All right, and then 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2, bracket close, raised to the power of 11. Is that clear? Now, how do we continue from here? Now, this is what's the same thing as we're writing it as. Now, take note of this, class. This is 2, all right? Then 3 times 10 is 30. So I'm having 2 raised to the power of 30. Is that clear? And then plus, now this is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. So you're having 2 raised to the power of 20, all right? Over 2, all right? Now 3 times 4 is 12, so that is 2 raised to the power of 12, all right? Then plus 2 times 11 is what? Is 22. So you're having 2 raised to the power of 22. Now I can rearrange this. I can have this as square root of 20 over, now this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 22 plus 2 raised to the power of 12. So take note, this and this are the same, all right? Now this is equal to square roots, all right? Now what is common here and here? What is common? Now what is common here and here is 2 raised to the power of what? Of 20. So I can have 2 raised to the power of 20, brackets open. All right, now what is left here? What is left here is 2 raised to the power of 10. Don't forget. Okay, now what is left here is what? Is 1. Am I communicating? Now if you decide to what? To expand this, 2 to the power of 20 times 2 raised to the power of 10, okay, from indices, all right, 10 plus what? 20 will give you what? 30. Then 2 to the power of 20 times 1 will give you what? 2 raised to the power of what? Of 20. Common here and here. 2 raised to the power of 12 is common. Am I communicating? Now I will open the bracket. What is left here? What is left here is 2 raised to the power of 10. Okay, then plus what? Plus 1. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, what do I have? I can strike these 2 out. Okay, if I strike them out, I'll be having square root now of 2 raised to the power of 20 over 2 raised to the power of 12. Am I communicating? All right, now I can do something here quickly. All right, from indices, let me apply one of the laws of indices. So square root now, okay, I'll bring 2 is up and down. I can bring 2 raised to the power of 20. Am I communicating? Now this is division, so it becomes what? Minus. Is that clear? And then I can bring up this 12. Okay, so my answer now becomes square root of 2. 20 minus 12 is what? Is 8. Don't forget. All right, now from here this is equal to, now I can rewrite this as 2 raised to the power of 8, bracket open, bracket close, 1 over 2. Don't forget. Okay, now 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4, so I'm having 2 raised to the power of 4. Now what is 2 to the power of 4? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So our answer is 16. Now which of the options there is correct? Option B is correct, which is what? 16. So our answer is 16. Thank you and bye-bye.